Breaking news. Janjaweed jihadist army moves thousands of suicide bombers to Igbo land, ready to commence massacre in no distant time. Hear the news in details. It has landed on our news desk this morning from an authentic source, and I want every Biafran to take this very information seriously. The Janjaweed jihadist army has moved thousands of jihadists, or should I say suicide bombers. They are currently camping in Owerri, which is where they are using as their headquarters now. They are camping them in Owerri, in Obinze, Owerri. And as I'm speaking to you, they have moved over 200 of them to a place called Ozobolo, a place in Ozobolo. Those of you from Ozobolo, if you have come across some people who are looking very, very fierce, they look like aliens. They are not the locals. They are not indigenous. They look very differently and looking very fierce. You must let me know in the comment section. You must indicate in the comment section. I'm talking about those in Ozobolo. Now, today's date is 15th of July 2026. I'm telling you what is going on now, a current situation. So they are camping, thousands of them now in Obinze, in Owerri, and their first attack, the very first place they want to attack, as I'm speaking to you now, is in Osu Hitokwa. They are going to attack Osu Hitokwa and Osumohu. They are planning to carry out a very, very bloody attack on Osumohu and Osu Hitokwa, respectively. So the target is this. The suicide bombers are going to carry out, genocide against the innocent people in the villages, both in their homes and in the market squares, or even in the street, whereby they will just come where people gather. They will detonate the bomb there and destroy many souls. This is the target. Why the official army now will now use their helicopters, throwing bombs everywhere to different homes in the guise of, or in the name of, looking for ESN. This is the cover. In fact, what they want to use as a cover in order to protect their image and to make sure that the international community, does not frown over their actions, is that they are looking for ESN and they tag them. They say they are terrorists. You understand me? But this is the hidden agenda here. They want to use this to at least reduce a significant number of Igbo. The main target is Igbo. We are talking about Biafrans here, but their main target is Igbo people. They want to reduce the numbers of Igbo significantly. That's why they are using suicide bombers now. And the target is this: when they carry out any attack in the public, like market square, because you remember they are, I'm telling you that they are suicide bombers. This is not just a joke. Oh, this is not a joke. They took them from Zamfara, they took them from Sokoto, and they took most of them are coming from Meduguri. Are you paying attention? Many of them, or should I say 80% of these suicide bombers, are coming from Borno State, from Meduguri, Borno State. So what am I telling you here? Their main target, which I have said, is to reduce the number of Igbo people, and this is going to be massive. Now, what they plan to do is those attacks that they are going to carry out in the public will be tagged the ESN. They will now say that ESN are the ones who carry out the attacks, because the suicide bombers are going to detonate the bomb, and even there they will be unalived. So nobody is going to have any trace whether the person who did it is a Fulani or any other tribe. So there is not going to be any trace. You understand me? And nobody is going to take responsibility. No group is going to take responsibility. Then Nigerian army will now write on the social media or on the pages of newspaper that it was ESN terrorists that are attacking innocent people. This is the target, but the main target is to reduce significantly the number of Igbo people in Igbo land. It did not end there. The worst part is this. Now listen, this is the worst part, and I'm telling you. The worst part is that they have planned based on the meeting. There have been 2 different meetings going on all this while. 2 different meetings. The first meeting that have been happening over and over again includes Chukwuma Soludo, Hope Uzodimma, Peter Mba, Mwifuru, these 4 governors. This, I'm giving you an authentic information. Don't joke with it. And I want to let them know that we are aware of it. I'm also using this opportunity to tell our men on ground. I'm using this opportunity to tell our men on ground, the BLA, to be very, very careful. To be very, very careful and defend themselves. Now, for the vulnerable Biafrans, Igbos especially, the vulnerable Igbo people in the old Imo state, and it's not going to be in Imo state alone or Anambra alone. It's going to be a massive attack against the Igbo people all across Igbo land. So everybody be careful now and raise the alarm wherever you see these fiercely looking people, fiercely looking set of aliens. You must raise the alarm immediately. Raise the alarm, even though you don't show your face on camera. Speak and send it to any WhatsApp group, send it to anywhere, send it to village groups, so that everybody will know where they are. Mention the name of the road where you see them, so that once you make a voice record, you send it, you post it on any WhatsApp group for the village people, so that people will know where they station, where they are, so that nobody will near that very area. This is very, very important information, and nobody should joke with it. I'm telling you, I'm the reason why Njekwe no Igbo, so that the people who are planning, who want to carry out this evil, will know that their plan has been leaked. This is why, if not Akamikwe no Igbo, but no Igbo, so that they know that their evil plan is already in the public. You understand me? Now, these 4 governors have been having meetings, and they have concluded. Now they have given go-ahead order to the Fulani-controlled army in Igbo land, so that they can be able to carry out. The target for the so-called governors is to wipe out ESN. That is their target. But now the Fulani-controlled army of the zoo, the jihadist army, now want to use these guys, now this very opportunity, to wipe out a significant number of Igbo. Not the target of the army is not ESN. Remember, the target of the governors is the ESN, but the target of the army is the Igbo nation, the Igbo people. They want to wipe the Igbos out. At least, even though not to wipe them out completely, they want to reduce the number significantly with this very current move. The way this information must not be joked with is coming from within. I'm telling you now, you must understand. It's coming from within. Now, the second meeting is the Janjaweed Jihadist army now have recruited some individuals. Names. This woman, Nneka Chimezie, is aware of what I'm saying now. Nneka Chimezie is 100% aware of what I'm saying. This man, Jovika, is aware of what I'm saying. Ebekuedike, which I call Ebekuense Arakaria, is aware of what I'm saying, 110%. Chukwuka Fuebu is aware. In fact, Chukwuka Fuebu is going to lead some part of the Janjaweed. His job is not done yet. Now, Chibuze Guato is aware of it. These are 5 names that they have given to me. These are 5 names that have been given, who are 110% aware, or should I say involved in this evil plan against Igbo. Now, this is the deadliest part of it. They will now know that yes, that Onyenekwu has the full details of what they are planning. This is the worst part of it. The worst part of it is that they have planned not to allow the jihadist army and the Janjaweed terrorists, the suicide bombers now. They don't want to, they have said that they are not going to be the ones to go inside the bush to confront the so-called ESN. listen and listen very, very attentively, my people. They have decided not to send their army or their suicide bombers to the forest to confront the ESN, as they said. Now, what they have planned to do is to use the locals, the youths. According to them, they say that they are going to arm the youths so that the youths of the local areas will be the ones to go inside the bush to confront the ESN. You know why? According to them, they said that they are not ready to waste any of their Fulani blood in the hands of the ESN. That is what they are saying. As I'm talking to you, this is something that is on ground now. In fact, they have finished the meeting. They have concluded it. That is the reason why we are able to get this information lately, because they are waiting to see what is going to be the outcome, or should I say the conclusion of whatever meeting that they have been doing. Now, they say that they are not ready to waste any of their Fulani blood in the hands of the ESN. So what they said is that they are going to use the locals, which are the Igbo people, to confront the ESN inside the forest, so that whoever that loses, whether the locals lose or the ESN lose, all are still in the same plan of reducing the number of Igbo people significantly. Whether the locals lose or the ESN lose, whoever that loses, they are still, it is a win-win. It remains a win-win for the Fulani. So the target is to wipe out a significant number of Igbo, at least to reduce the number. This is the target. I am saying this now, mark this last one, that they said they are going to use the locals to march into the forest to confront the ESN, that they are not going to waste any Fulani blood, be it the army or their suicide bombers that they recruited from the north, that they brought in from the north, mainly from Maiduguri, Borno State. So this is a very, very bad situation. And I want to use this opportunity to tell every community in Igbo land not to allow their youths to be recruited into any security in disguise, to be recruited any disguised security in the name of fighting crimes, and then they will send them inside the forest to go and confront the BLA, which they call ESN. Fine, the ESN, as they call them. The target is not to fight ESN. The target is to reduce the number of Igbo significantly. So whoever that loses, whether the youths, they are recruited youths in the name of security lose, or the ESN lose, whoever that loses, it is still a win-win situation for the Fulani. This is the target now. And they are currently in Owerri, and they have dispersed over 200 in Ozobolo. Are you paying attention? Over 200 is currently in Ozobolo now. And they are stationing them in some strategic, locations. The first target is to hit Osuhitokwa and Osumohu, respectively. Once they hit there, they are going to Ayaba from Enu, Yotagoba from Ani, Bundia Yebu, innocent people. Then send their suicide bombers to public areas, and then send the Osuhitokwa youths inside the forest to go and confront the ESN. Whoever that loses, it is still a win-win for the Fulani. This is their target. I don't know why they are doing it. I don't know if they are doing it for Tinubu because of election, or they are doing it for what. I don't know. I don't just know. This again, with this information this morning on Apatoyina, I couldn't believe it. Apatoyina, if you get now, so Obunafa recruit ogo, ikwe banye sorofa, ebunya gegbe, kika confront your ESN n'ime ofia. Malokwa malo that na the target achonke malo now. Now the target to reduce the number of Ndi Igbo significantly. So they don't care who wins, because the moment happen yelogebe afugoga so nyori, afutagogi as a criminal. So if any more mafia there, or Basauzifa, whatever that comes out, they will still send you again. And according to my information, once they finish Osu Itokwa and Osumohu, they will now start moving into other areas. Like their next target is Okigwe. From Okigwe to other places. You gotta go other places in Anambra. I step from Imo there by Anambra and Anambra already in Ozobolo to be precise. I see there where Banye other parts of Anambra, see where Bagowe Nugu, see Bagowe Ebonyi. You gotta go, and some part of Abia State, even though that the Abia State governor refused to join them in that meeting. Remember what I said, even though that the Abia State governor refused to join them in that meeting. What I'm telling you now is authentic information. Ejikwana egwu umu Igbo agwono na akeleka. Ejikwana this information na-enye gị egwu adomaka na ntị wee na-ekwu ya na the information adịghị. I did not cook it. Chukwu okike abịa ma bi n'eluigwe gelu m ntị ntụkwa asị ife nkwo bịa n'ụwa ma afụ na ya. Ejihom, I did not cook up this story. Ntụasị ife nkwo bịa n'ụwa ka m ghara inweta ya. I did not cook up this story. Ife a bụ authentic information enyelu mụ from onye ma ife a na-akpa. Ama m na aghọtala ife m na-ekwu. Enwere some things I send them which I cannot bring to the public for security reasons. You gotta go for security reasons. This information I just like that. Enwere many other things solely accompaniment which are not meant for public consumption for security reasons. So actually, now I did not cook up this very story na Agwago. I did not cook it up. If I know about authentic news, see from top where bia, and onye jikwana egwu onye anwakwana nwa jiri this information gwu egwu n'ife abụ eziokwu ka nna agwa ụnụ. Eziokwu Chukwu okike ji wee kem ka nna ekwu. Ife anụ abụ nkata ọjọọ ndị ọjọọ na-akpala ụmụ Igbo niile. And ebe ya bụ nkata si wee bido bụ from 4 governors. Chukwuma Soludo, Hope Uzodimma, Peter Mba na Nwifuru. These 4 people, governor ndị Abia State juru n'ọma nso na the plan. Mana ọ nabiro ha ịkarịkwa attack na Abia State. So ndị Igbo ka nna agwa now. Ma ndị nne, ma ndị nna, everybody jide nwago. All your youth ka na target. N'ife bụ the target ndị Fulani bụ the Igbo youth. So everybody jide nwago. Ekwekwana ka nwago banye any form of security a na plan if he set up in any part of Ala Igbo. Because the target bụ ka I send ha n'ime ọfịa ka aga confront ESL. Onye ọbụla gburu ibe ya, it is not a problem for the Fulani because the main target bụ ka reduce ọnụ ndị Igbo. Ya chọrọ ka reduce the number of ndị Igbo. Fa akpọdatago ndị a na-akpọ ndị suicide bomber. Ha nọ n'Owerri kịta anụnwa. About 200 of them ezipụgo ha n'ọzọ obodo. Ha landigo n'ọzọ obodo. Otu amụ na go na-ekwu okwu now. Ndị ọzọ obodo meenụ ka mmalụ na comment section ọ bụrụ na afụgo fa. So ife m na-akọwa bụ na ala Igbo niile everybody ke nkwụcha. Onye ọbụla ga-abanye na village WhatsApp group ya. Ebe ọ na ịgagide wee fụ ndị look like aliens, a very intensely and aggressively looking set of people. Ime voice ịnọlụ n'ụsọ agakwana further. Ịnọlụ n'ụsọ mee voice note tinye na WhatsApp ndị village unu. Ịkpa afa the street ma ọ bụ the area ifụlụ ndị anwa. So that everybody tụọ gap from that side. Ka ndị mmadụ alega there because anybody hafụrụ dị aya egbu ya. Ihe a na-abụ the current situation now na-eme na ala Igbo. Ọ bụrụ achọ ka anybody malụ, they want to take us unawares. And ọlụ ndị suicide bombers anụ ha kpọbatalụ, there are thousands in number. Ọnụ ha bụ isend to various locations na ala Igbo. Paluo dị ebe ọ na-afụrụ igwe mmadụ gbakọrọ. Ha banye dị ya, detonate ya ugbu na igwe ha bụ n'ahụ. Gbagbuo ma ha nwa n'onwe ha ma ndị niile nọ that place. The same thing na-eme na Borno State oge Boko Haram bidoro. Ọ ya achọrọ ime na ala Igbo. This information dị very authentic. And then na-agwakwa our men ka ha gbada anya ka uche everybody dị ya. Ịghọtago ha esikwe n'elu agba. Ha ya abịa ndị ọbụna ndị locals, ndị youth ha ye group wee dunye ha zipụ ha ka aga n'ime ọfịa confront ba ESN, ndị fakpọrọ ESN. Then original terrorist army of Nigeria esizi n'elu wee na-agbazi ogbunigwe. Yotago. So that Ogbunigwe ama nwe specific target. Ogbunigwe anụnwa fire agba ya destroy ikwu including the local youth to has ham and assemble bunye egbe ka aga confront ESN n'ime ọfịa. Anyị esikwe n'elu gbakwa afọ Ogbunigwe. Ndị agha ndị zoo Fulani na control ya esikwa n'elu gba afọ Ogbunigwe. Ife nna agwa gị ife a ejikwana ya egwu agwago m gị that this is not a story. Ife abụ ife kukuru up. Ife abụ information si na authentic source wee bata na our news desk. So onye ejikwana ya egwu ndị agha zoo na plan ife ọjọọ anụwa ya esi n'elu na-agba onye iru na-agba onye azụ. Ma ndị youth a ha bunyere egbe ka aga confront ESN. Ogbunigwe ha ya egbucha ha n'ime ọfịa. So jidekwe nwa gị aka ka nwa gị ghara ịba any security organization a na plan ifọm na Igbo. Ekwekwana ka nwa gị soli ya because ha ma ngwa unu the main target. They will never tell you famango unu the main target or MSC because any place edunyere unu ya aga there. Ọ bụ na ị join ya ha sị gị na unu ya aba n'ime ọfịa ga confront ndị ES ịma nsị no. So ọ ka mma na iji na ọ ga-esi na ịma join. And any place ọ bụla ndị mmadụ na-agada biko keenụ nkwụcha nọ ndị suicide bomber ka akpọtalụ. The target bụ egbuo ndị mmadụ ebonye ndị ESN and once akpọ ha ebonye ndị ESN akpọ ha ndị terrorists while so that the world ghara blame ndị Nigeria government na Nigerian army na ha nwa na-egbusisi ndị mmadụ ndị aka ha dị ọcha. So uche everybody dị ya biko ihe anụwa ngwala ụnụ ọ mekwala eme live and direct onye ji na egwu daalụkwa na otu aka ọ dị n'ọnụ onye n'ozi ya tụsaa ya everywhere ka ndị Igbo niile nwee idea nkata ọjọọ ndị Nigeria na Fulani na ndị Igbo governors na-akpalụ ụmụazị Igbo be anyị maọbụ ndị Igbo as a whole. And matakwa na enwere 5 people mkpọrọ afa akafa dị na-alụ anụnwa na-achọ ịkpa. The first person bụ Jovika ma anyị ya. The second person bụ Chukwuka Ofuegbu onye so na ndị ya elidi ndị Boko Haram a. The third person bụ Chibuzo Egwuatu also ọ nọ live na Zoom ebe ha na-eme this plan. The fourth person bụ nwaanyị a na-akpọ Nneka Chimezie ma anyị ya. And the fifth person bụ nke a na-akpọ Ebekuedike arịrị akarịa anyị amaghị ezigbo afa ya mana ife ọsọ ịkpọwa ya bụ Ebekuedike also ọ ya the fifth person ndị dị involved na this very evil plan. So everybody kee nkwụcha ọkwanụ ka ọla n'ọnụ onye ya ka ọla ụmụnne ya na-alụkwanụ tụsaa na ozi a and make it go viral.